Wow.
Cái mùi tê nó chỉ có sao ta có mùi cái sao ta có mùi
cái bác họ trên xe là bé ô thôi
mà cái sao
cái
ta
bác là ô cháu
cái mùi
Yeah, this is my Gong Mong Kirkland dance team, the new one. Coming out to Seattle New Year 2013-2014. So look out for them. Their name is Gong Mong Kirkland. They're practicing a new song. So they try to get the hang of a move. Some are advanced and some are starters, so it's going to be really hard, but as a teacher I still have to be patient and see if they can improve more during the summer so they can be better during the Seattle New Year.
Con tàu ý lực phải là thế ý đó thì có thể con tàu ó thì bé nó
thì mua thay cả mình kinh cũng là chọn lô